Good Saturday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on outside. You see some isolated showers and thunderstorms off in the eastern Tennessee mountains, moving into the western North Carolina mountains. Those will continue to move slowly throughout the day into our area as a cold front begins to approach. Let's go ahead and turn the radar off real quickly here, and we'll turn on the mesophil and the METAR. And you can see, first of all, we've got 55 degrees in Salisbury, mid to upper 50s around the county. And that cold front is literally right in here. We'll go ahead and kind of draw the line out for you so you can see it. But it literally runs right through here. And as it continues to approach the area, those showers and thunderstorms will make their way into the county, and rain chances will continue to pick up for us as we go through the afternoon and evening hours. I'd say by around 2 p.m. we'll start to see the rain making its way into the county. Let's go ahead and turn on the model data real quick here, and we'll show you what the models are indicating as far as rainfall goes. Now, remember, it's not a forecast here. It's just some guidance for us to kind of anticipate when we'll see this, and let's see what the models are showing. So this is now 7 a.m., pretty much in line, a little bit ahead of where the actual showers and thunderstorms are, but for the most part, pretty much in line with what we were showing out there on the radar. This is now 8 a.m., 9 p.m., or excuse me, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. We're now at 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., starting to see some showers make their way in, 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., you start to see some back building. And I think that's when most of our rain is going to come through as we get into the late evening hours and into the overnight. It's now 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. and midnight. You see rain continuing to move through the area. And again, I think that's where most of the moisture is going to really set up and come through, is during the overnight hours as we head into Sunday morning. I think by the time you wake up Sunday morning, most of the rain will be coming to an end, and we'll see a much drier, cooler day tomorrow, but it's going to be overcast, so it'll look more fall-like. Weather impacts for today: mostly sunny conditions for the morning hours. An approaching cold front brings an increase in rain chances after 2 p.m., and rain continues off and on through the evening into the overnight hours. As far as what we're expecting for accumulations, I'm going to say we're going to see somewhere between an inch and an inch and a quarter, depending on where you are. I think most of the rain is going to set itself up between I-85 and I-40 as far as landmarks go, to kind of give you an idea of where the heaviest rain would be. So I'd say if you live on the western side of Rowan County, as far northwest as Cleveland and areas like that, that's probably going to be the areas that see the most rain. As you go east of I-85 down into like Rockwell, Faith, Gold Hill, places like that, you're probably going to see the lower amounts in terms of rainfall accumulation from this system. If you're looking for something to do this weekend, the fall color is starting to extend east for us. Most of the higher elevations on the Blue Ridge Parkway, they're past peak now, so it's kind of grayish looking up there. But you can still ride the parkway and see some great color in the lower elevations. But you can go into areas like Asheville and places like that, and they're dealing with peak colors right now. And those peak colors, again, are starting to move east, and they're almost into the Hickory area. Once you get to Hickory, in between Hickory and I'd say the northwest corner of Rowan County, they're seeing high color conditions. And here for the most of the county, we've got moderate conditions, and we'll start to see those peak colors start to make their way in over the next 2 weeks, and then they'll continue to move east as well for us. But areas as you head off toward the coast, into the sand hills, starting to see low color conditions. So the fall color really starting to overtake the area, and we'll certainly continue to keep you updated on it as we move through the next couple of weeks. The 5-day forecast, sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684, or visit them on their website at www.sasloop.com. Mention that you see they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. So for the forecast today, we've got partly sunny skies during the morning hours. We'll see a high of 78 before that cold front starts to make its way into the area and into the county. Increasing rain chances as we move through the evening hours. We'll get about a 60% chance of rain overall. I think because most of the rain will arrive late. We'll see a low of 59 degrees tonight. On Sunday, Mostly cloudy conditions throughout the day. We'll see a high of 65, low of 54. I do have a 20% chance of rain in there. And I think mainly most of that's going to be in the morning hours, but we can't rule out some weak showers, weak isolated showers, maybe moving through at various points during the day. Not enough to ruin any outdoor plans, though. Go ahead and get out there and enjoy your Sunday. On Monday, we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 69. Mostly clear Monday evening with a low of 56. Our next warm front moves through on Tuesday with a high of 76 under partly sunny skies. Mostly clear Tuesday evening with a low of 57. On Wednesday, partly sunny skies, high of 75. We've got some isolated rain chances Wednesday evening, a 30% chance of rain with a low of 57. The reason why is we've got our next cold front starting to move into the area, and this is going to be a much stronger cold front than the one we're getting this weekend. We're looking at highs on Halloween, maybe struggling to get into the 60s. So trick-or-treating weather may be perfect in terms of fall weather. It's going to have a chill in the air, and that's really what you like to have on Halloween, or at least I did as a kid growing up. When you got all your costume on and your mask, it kind of felt better when you had some colder air versus being very hot outside. I felt like I was sweating like crazy under my mask. But speaking of Halloween, we will have our trick-or-treat forecast coming up this week. I'll have that coming out over the next few days to give you an idea of what the conditions are going to be like when you take the kids out trick-or-treating this year, if that's what you choose to do. If not, there are going to be several opportunities for trick-or-treating from a socially distant aspect. And Salisbury's got something coming up, and I'll talk about that over the next few days as well. And then also every year on Halloween, we release our long-range winter forecast. This year is going to be no exception. I'll have that coming out next Saturday for you as well, and I'm going to be finishing that up over the next few days to go ahead and get you prepared for what you can expect to see this winter. Now, if you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website at www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you know someone who doesn't utilize the internet or they don't utilize social media, then they can check us out if they have cable television. Either Hotwire or Spectrum carries WSRG TV in Salisbury. Our forecasts are on the air there from 8 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. every morning. It's a video forecast where I explain, just like I'm doing right now, what you can expect from the weather. And then randomly throughout the day, the 5-day forecast will pop up to give you updates on what you can expect over the next 5 days. For now, we ask that you enjoy your Saturday. We'll continue to keep you updated on the rain as it moves closer to the county. But as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.